Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick little stop at the Montezuma Castle, a set of buildings built into the rock face dating back to about 1100 AD. This area was used by the Sinagua people from about 1100 AD for about 300 years when they mysteriously left. Perhaps the woolly mammoths and saber-toothed tigers finally took them down. This was once a 5-story condo. Over there was where the fitness facility was, and down here was the pool and the hot tub. Apparently the condo fees were exorbitant, so people just left. Well, that's it. A quick little 5-minute trip to Montezuma's castle, not to be confused with Montezuma's Revenge, which I luckily escaped when I was in Mexico. Anyways, we'll hit the road and continue on to Telluride.
Welcome to Colorado.
Thanks, Google. Okay, I'm up about 7,000 feet. We've hit the snow. 600K to get to Telluride. So maybe we'll get there this afternoon. I'm in no rush. Alright, finally found myself a camp spot at the end of a road about 100K from Telluride. Looks like I'm at the trailhead parking lot for some trail. Earlier, I took another road, which turned into a Forest Service road that was just a plowed ice road, and I ended up spinning out. I did a 180 and slammed into a snowbank. I thought the truck was going to flip over, but luckily it didn't. And because of the snowbanks, I stayed on the road. I did the complete 180 and decided, well, I guess I better just go back rather than continue on that road. And I found this spot. So this is a perfect spot, and I'll get up early and get to the mountain. And hopefully find myself a free parking spot, and then we'll get on the hill. Otherwise, just going to make myself some dinner and hit the hay. Good morning, it's 7 a.m. I've been driving for about an hour. I'm almost at the mountain. And as you can see, it's spectacular sights. The mountain range is just awe-inspiring. Gonna get to the parking lot, and then I can have some breakfast and get myself organized and find all my winter stuff. And then we'll head out on the slopes. For now, let's just enjoy the view. Okay, well, welcome to Telluride. Against all odds, I am on the chairlift for the second time. So at Telluride, you're supposed to get 7 days of skiing with the Epic Pass, but not the military Epic Pass. But I tried the lift and I got on this main lift where I parked. But when I rode down to the other side, I couldn't get on the lift. So they have a free gondola that took me back to this part. And so I tried it again, and so this lift works. So I can either ride this lift or I gotta go higher up and find the upper peak stuff. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna figure out how to get to the upper peak sections and try and do some high up riding. Maybe even find some powder. Conditions are perfect for the race board, but I'm too scared to go to the bottom of the lift and not be able to get back up. Ah. Alright guys, that's it for riding at Telluride. Just gonna head into town, grab something to eat. Luckily I got some time up on the hill, up top in the steeps. Lots of sun, no fresh snow, but got a little bit of powder in the trees. Otherwise, tomorrow is Saturday, so I'm gonna spend the weekend doing some errands and chores and work my way to central Colorado, where I'll hit the rest of the mountains. There's 6 more mountains to hit. So we got a lot of riding to come, but not on the weekends. So laundry tomorrow probably. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.